Hello students, welcome to One Mass Chemistry. In this video, I am going to tell you what is volume strength of hydrogen peroxide and how it can be determined. The concentration of hydrogen peroxide is generally expressed in volume strength. Not only that, it is expressed in normality, molarity and weight per volume percentage also, but mostly in the label of hydrogen peroxide you can see volume strength. When 1 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution gives X volume of oxygen gas at STP on complete decomposition, then hydrogen peroxide solution is labeled as X volume. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes as per this equation. In this reaction, 1 milliliter of hydrogen peroxide solution when decomposed to give X milliliters of oxygen gas at STP, then that hydrogen peroxide solution is labeled as X volume. Let us see how to find out volume strength of hydrogen peroxide. This is the balanced equation for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, and as per this equation 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide decompose to give 1 mole of oxygen gas. Mass of 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide is 2 into 34 grams because molar mass of hydrogen peroxide is 34 grams. And volume of 1 mole of oxygen at STP is 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters also means 22,400 milliliters at STP. So 22,400 milliliters of oxygen gas will be obtained from 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide as per this balanced equation. But how many milliliters of oxygen we are expecting? X milliliters. So this X milliliters of oxygen is obtained from how much mass of hydrogen peroxide? To find it out, use cross multiplication. How much you will get? 68x divided by 22,400. And in both of the values present in numerator and denominator, 4 will be cancelled. 17 times, this is 5,600 times. So how much you got? 17x by 5,600. These many grams of hydrogen peroxide is required to get X milliliters of oxygen, and as per the volume strength concept, X milliliters of oxygen will be obtained from 1 milliliter of hydrogen peroxide. It means this 17x by 5,600 grams of hydrogen peroxide has to be present in 1 milliliter hydrogen peroxide solution. So 1 milliliter solution of hydrogen peroxide contains 17x by 5,600 grams of hydrogen peroxide. Let's find out 1000 ml of solution contains how much mass of hydrogen peroxide. Even for that also we need to use cross multiplication. Then you will get 17x by 5.6. Mass of hydrogen peroxide present in 1000 ml of solution is 17x by 5.6, and we can call it as strength because strength of a solution is generally expressed in gram per liter. So strength of hydrogen peroxide is equal to 17x by 5.6, where x is volume strength. This strength and volume strength are different. Strength is expressed in gram per liter. Here x is volume strength. Strength is related to normality by this relation. Strength is equal to normality into equivalent mass. And what is that strength of hydrogen peroxide we got? 17x by 5.6, where x is volume strength. And this is equal to normality n into equivalent mass. Equivalent mass of hydrogen peroxide is 17. How? Equivalent mass can be determined by molar mass divided by n factor. Molar mass of hydrogen peroxide is 34. N factor of hydrogen peroxide is 2, because in hydrogen peroxide H2O2 formula you have two replaceable hydrogen atoms, and hydrogen peroxide is weakly acidic, and in an acid N factor is number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. So equivalent mass of hydrogen peroxide is 34 by 2, which is equal to 17. Then what is that relation you will get between volume strength x and normality? Volume strength is equal to normality of hydrogen peroxide into 5.6. So whenever normality of hydrogen peroxide solution is given, to convert that into volume strength, you can use this formula. Normality when multiplied with 5.6, you will get volume strength. Not only that, we have few more relations also. 11.2 volume strength of hydrogen peroxide is equal to 3.4% weight by volume of hydrogen peroxide, and that is equal to 1 molar hydrogen peroxide, which is equal to 2 normal hydrogen peroxide. So using this relation, you can solve the numericals related to concentration or strength of hydrogen peroxide. Thank you for watching this video.